shibun fibro kene kalong kanjing betip namta gitu kiba la up nakamta ka SSCGD ban yo ban lek mare namta ka pet PST PET pet te ka admit card namta kini kala yo dengan puli kat kum kene notice the PST pet event followed by DV DME mud document verification la dep ka jing mare kan dan saka document verification marka detail medical examination nane re medical examination of CTGD exam 2024 in CAPF, SSF, Rifleman GD in Assam Rifle and SHIPAI in NCB for CBE. Qualified and shortlisted candidate is scheduled from 23 September. Apply tarik September arjar fusau onward. The e-admit card for PST pad and DVDME stage can be downloaded by shortlisted candidate. Kitu gibala shortlisted from the link. Kane ka link ladap ai te sa kan mau ban shutho kane ka link. www.crpfonline.com/constablegd Assam Rifle 24 pet PST DV DME dengan sabu ikan kaling hapo description ru sakalik nang turu available on CRPF website ru lawan page napo website jong CRPF https://rec.crpf.gov.in. All candidates are directed to bring printed copy of e-admit card pihaban print ya kata ka e-admit card lek claim kane ka e-admit card phimla re banyo ban lek shapo banyo mare ro phimyo are. At the time of PST pet followed by DVDME, candidate will not be permitted to pet and DVDME without their admit card. Kan mau bandra ro i documents ki jong phi namar balada phipa sa ka jing mare pen poisa ka document verification telda phimdon ki documents te kan jinjar ya phi namar nek long ma followed by DV at DME lene RME te kamau da phimra are admit card ba phimla are ban yo rung shapo te tangi ne ki jing petip sakan mau ban download no admit card ka jong phi ban yo e katarik ha kasni ayu ka phi dei ban lek ha kata ka jing mare ka jaka ro kala thob ya po admit card te kaling sabu po description te tangi ne jing petip flash bun